is a word on your head by Willems. There is a word on your head. Piggie! Is something on my head? Yes! There is a word on your head. There is a word on my head. Ah! Is there a word on my head now? No. Now there are two words on your head. What are two words doing on my head? They are in love. The words on my head are in love? They are love words. Love words? How do you know they are love words? They are making a nest. Two words are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I don't want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Wow. Chip, chip, chip. They are hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no words on my head. Thank you, Piggie. Thank you very much. You are welcome. The end. If you like my story, then please share and like my videos.